Hello guys, today I'm gonna show the flower illustration using a brand new acrylic paint set from Phoenix. Phoenix acrylic paint set has a 24 set of vibrant colors. Let's begin with the background first. For background, I'm choosing the sap green and black as a first layer. As you can see, consistency is very smooth and has a great coverage too. I'm adding a lighter shades here for background highlights. Just blend the colors to get the smooth background. These are heavy body paints and highly pigmented. I'm able to blend it very easily. For flower, I'm using white and yellow paints. To paint the center of the flower floret, we're gonna need crimson, red and blue. The color in this paint set are very bright and vibrant. I'm choosing the bright yellow for the flower and white color as a highlight. For droplets, I'm using white and raw sienna. Overall, I really love this acrylic paints. It is non-toxic and has a premium quality, and I highly recommend this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.